Many big corporations spend a lot of effort on unique and humorous social media interactions, especially when social media platforms reach thousands of people. Chat interaction is crucial for any company, helping you connect to make customers feel valued and more likely to return. In today's video, we will show all you can do to master customer interactions using Elfsight, a SaaS solution with an extensive package of solutions, allowing small businesses to design online storefronts and enhance e-commerce websites with widgets and deep integration options. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Elfsight was created to assist business owners in increasing sales, engaging visitors, collecting leads, and much more. This system has helped over 1 million business owners select the right widget for their needs, generate leads through excellent customer service, and increase social media followers. The platform's applications can also be embedded into any website platform, allowing users to create, configure, and alter their websites without knowing how to code. You can have a friendly discussion tool with the Elfsight chat box feature, allowing your audience to speak with you in all popular messengers concurrently and without effort. In addition, they will have the option of contacting you via Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, Telegram, or Viber at any time. Furthermore, regardless of your location, you will always be reachable for on-the-go responses. Whatever services or products you provide, tailored communication on your website can help you increase your offering. For example, you can engage each visitor in dialogue and encourage more people to purchase your website. Chat triggers in Elfsight's Live Chat widget open a chat window for users based on their time spent on a website or page, or their intention to leave. Plus, there are 3 distinct types of chat display positions, and you can limit the chat window to a select audience to increase efficiency. Elfsight's Facebook chat widget makes it easy for your customers to start conversing with you at any time, using a familiar and comfortable messenger. Besides, personal communication on your website can enhance any service or product you provide. For example, you can increase the number of individuals who buy or order from your website by getting every visitor to participate in a live conversation. Plus, a chat window will emerge for your users based on their time spent on your website or when they begin to leave it, thanks to the widget triggers provided by Elfsight for your Facebook Messenger button on the site in question. In addition to various widget placement options, you can also determine which visitors will see the chat to get the most out of it. With Elfsight Line Chat, anytime someone wants to start a conversation with you, they can do so in a familiar chat window. So regardless of where you are, you'll always be able to respond to messages right away. Besides, all users can be prompted to open a chat window via Elfsight Line Chat's chat triggers, triggered by their actions on a website or web page, or by their intention to leave. However, there are 4 different chat positions, and the chat window is only visible to a small group of users for the most efficient work. Did you see all the options available to create amazing websites using this platform? Well, there's more to this. Before we continue, make sure to check the link in our video description to buy Elfsight services. Besides, click the like button and subscribe to our channel so we can show many more great software videos like this one. And leave us a comment if you want to know about more software that can interest you. Now, let's see what other great features this platform has for you. You can use interface nuances in Elfsight Telegram chat that can help you tailor it to your own company's needs. You can chat for various functions, including customer service, product consultations, and event bookings and orders. You can also use the library of chat bubble icons and add vital elements like your company's logo or a photo from the collection, a welcoming remark that will assist start a conversation, and more. Additionally, an easily accessible chat window will allow others to communicate with you whenever they want. On top of that, you'll be able to respond on the fly wherever you are. You can talk to your customers one-on-one on your website with the Fiber chat. Every visitor should be able to participate in a dialogue to increase sales. A chat window appears for each user independently, based on their time spent on the site or web page, or after they indicate an intent to leave. Plus, the Elfsight Viber conversation feature uses chat triggers for this purpose. You can determine where, when, and who will be able to see your communication. You can use the Elfsight WhatsApp Live Chat to engage more people in the conversation and persuade them to buy by presenting, counseling, and assisting them in selecting offers. Chat Open triggers open the chat window when the user exits the page, or when a predetermined amount of time has passed. In addition, you can select the type of visitor for whom the conversation will display from among 3 position options. Create amazing websites and online stores using Elfsight by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.